Hey, are you ready for a deliciously fun drawing session? Today, we're going to draw a cute and quirky cartoon ravioli. So get your drawing supplies ready and let's get started. Draw a large square in the middle of your paper. This square will be the main body of our ravioli. Now, draw slightly wavy square, a bit wavy or uneven for a more realistic look. Let's give it some arms and legs. Now draw a curved line on the left side of square for arm, and then draw some more lines for hand. Now draw a curved line on left side and draw hand. Now draw a curved line for leg and add feet at the end of it. Then draw other leg. What's a cartoon ravioli without a cute face? Let's give our ravioli some personality. Draw two large circles near the top of the square for the eyes. Inside each eye, add a smaller circles for the pupils. Then draw two ovals under the both eyes. You can make your ravioli look happy by adding a big smile below the eyes. Draw a curved line for the mouth. Now it's time to highlight our drawing with marker. Now that we have all our details in place, let's clean up our drawing. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines or overlapping lines. It's time to bring our ravioli to life with some color. Use a light yellow or beige color for the body of the ravioli. For the eyes, you can use black or dark brown and add a touch of pink for the cheeks. If you want, you can also add some shading to give your ravioli a bit more depth and dimension. And there you have it, a charming and cheerful cartoon ravioli. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun. Thanks for joining us, and happy drawing!